invest in Bitcoin with Acorns. Acorns offers Gold subscribers an easy and unique way to add Bitcoin exposure to their portfolio without losing sight of long-term investing. We call it Bits of Bitcoin, and here's how it works. Because Bitcoin can be volatile, Acorns lets you invest in Bitcoin in bits, no more than 5% of your portfolio. And instead of buying Bitcoin directly, Acorns lets you add a Bitcoin-linked ETF to your already diversified portfolio. This means you're investing in an ETF that generally tracks Bitcoin's price, rather than owning the cryptocurrency itself. That's intentional. A Bitcoin-linked ETF offers exposure in a way that's regulated and responsible, so you can ride Bitcoin's highs and its lows while staying focused on long-term investing. Here's how to add the Bitcoin-linked ETF to your portfolio. From the home screen, tap Invest. Scroll down and tap on your portfolio. Then tap Diversify your portfolio with a Bitcoin ETF. Tap Add to your portfolio. Then tap Add to confirm. Now, any investments will fund your new Bitcoin-linked ETF edition until it reaches its target percentage. Once that percentage is reached, your future investments will switch back to being spread across your overall portfolio. You'll see your Bitcoin-linked ETF and its performance directly on the Invest screen. With Acorns, investing in Bitcoin is that easy. Thoughtful, measured, and focused on the long term. Let's grow your oak.